If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair. Nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They aren't engineers or technicians, and despite their friendly on-camera personas, their goal isn't to educate or protect you. They're salespeople, paid to promote products and willing to say almost anything necessary to drive clicks through their discount links. For the past 27 years, we haven't reviewed solar products like our competitors do on YouTube. We tear them apart. Every product we consider is tested down to the component level, not just given an amateur visual once-over or a single feel-good performance test. Our test facility is equipped with state-of-the-art lab-grade instrumentation, and nothing we sell gets a free pass. If a product can't survive repeated real-world abuse, it doesn't make it into our warehouse. Period. The products used in our DIY solar systems not only met our strict standards, they exceeded them. From electrical stability and thermal performance to component quality and long-term reliability, this is the kind of engineering we rarely see anymore. That's why we offer these products with confidence under our DIY solar brand. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven power you can trust. We added music to this video to keep it engaging, unlike a high-frequency inverter struggling and failing to start an air conditioner.
Out in the wild, no chains, no ties. Bought my freedom under open skies. Wired my soul to the power of the sun. DIYsolar.com, got it all done. Solar.